Hey you guys, welcome back. We haven't did a grocery haul in a while, so I thought this was nice and fitting to do one today. It's the holiday weekend. You know how that go. You need to stock up everything because you're going to be in the house longer and eating more food. So I stocked up on some breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and we're going to go ahead and get into this haul because I got to put this stuff away. You know how that go. So we're going to go ahead and start with the meat. These are some turkey chops. We love these turkey chops. Well, I like these turkey chops. They don't really like them, but they're really good, you know, especially when you're on a diet. You don't really want pork chops. Try these turkey chops. We got some party packs of chicken wings because we recently just got an air fryer. Hopefully you guys watched that air fryer fried chicken. It was a disaster. You know what we talking about if you watched the video. So I got 2 packs of these wings. And then these are some chicken breast tenderloins. I'm going to fry these up for the kids to make some chicken tenders. I picked up a big pack of pork chops. I don't know what we're going to do with these yet. I just picked up some stuff. So we'll figure it out, you know, when the time comes for us to eat it. And then the kids love some turkey breast meat. So we got this is for lunch. I'm going to make in the morning our home fries breakfast bowl. They got some sausage, peppers, and onions. It's so good. So stay tuned for that video. Daddy loves his fish sticks. These was on sale for 2 for $12. I got 2 packs of those. And then I love me some lamb shoulders. Oh my. You know how that go. Chicken tenders. Yes, these honey nuggets. These are a staple in our house. And then now, instead of just buying the small bag of french fries, we just go ahead and purchase this 5-pound bag of french fries. It's like $7.99. It's a big old bag because the kids love french fries. Okay? They love french fries. They eat them for lunch, dinner. Daddy even eats them, you know, for whenever. So we got to keep these in the house. All right, so here goes some pre-shaped hamburgers. All you gotta do is just, you know, put them on the stove and cook them or put them in the oven. You don't have to worry about pattying them out or none of that. You know, on them quick night meals, these are really good. Moving right along. We got the Eggo Waffles. Yes, you guys know we love some Eggo. And this is some buttermilk French toast. The thick and fluffy. The only thing with these, it only comes 6 in the box. And you know, if you love French toast, okay, this box is going to be gone in like 2 seconds. And then here's some chocolate chip pancakes. All you have to do is just toast these on the stove or put them in the microwave. But put them on the stove. They taste way better. But it's for the kids. They pretty much know how to cook for themselves now. You know, stuff like that. Come out here and put it on the stove. If yours is not at that level yet, it's okay. They can put it right in the microwave. Here's some more lunch meat. We got some ham. I picked me up one of these lean cuisines because I be needing some healthy food. And for keto, if you guys are doing the keto, this is only 10 carbs. Because right now I'm doing like a low carb diet. So this is perfect for me. And then we got some cheese, some monster cheese, cheddar cheese. Here is something new that I picked up because I want to start getting back into some smoothies. And this is a keto berry blend with raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, and avocado. And it's 8 carbs. Okay? You can't beat that. You know we have to keep our snacks in the house. This was Daddy's request. Some Hostess Cupcakes. And this is a new flavor, lemon. Okay? Anything lemon is bomb. We have to keep this pancake mix in the house. This is one of the kids' staples too. You know, since they've been on quarantine, virtual learning, and they pretty much perfected making pancakes now. So they done moved on to making some pancake battered onion rings. Oh my God, you guys, if you have never had pancake battered onion rings, we're going to get Emmy to make some. And they've made corn dogs. You know, you just take a hot dog, dip it in the batter, and then there you go. Here goes some pasta, rigatoni. I got the kids some Alfredo. You know, they can put some chicken in it or something this week with that cheese that I just showed you. I don't know. They'll hook it up somehow. And these are the peppers that we're going to use for our breakfast bowl tomorrow. I got a red one and I got a green one. And the onion. So you need the onion too when you make this dish. And a big bag of potatoes. You know, this is one of them staple items you gotta have in your house too. And this bag of potatoes was on sale today for $2.99. Got Porter some more oatmeal. You know, if your kids like oatmeal, they will love this variety pack of oatmeal. I got a lot of the different flavors. And then this one is just the regular apples and cinnamon. You can't go wrong with these. Just wake up, put some milk in it, and then there you go. Here goes some chicken fry. I just told you we're going to fry those chicken tenders up. So I'm going to use this batter. And then this is the ranch dip that we're going to dust on that chicken. If you guys don't know about that ranch chicken, head on over to that video right up top. Here goes some brioche buns. You got to have those gourmet buns for those gourmet hamburgers. And these are really good. And look at it. It's not even cooked yet. And do you see it glistening? Like, what buns you know come looking like this? You better get with these brioche buns. Here goes some more snacks because, like I said, it's the holiday weekend. We gotta have food stocked up. Here goes some chocolate chip cookies. These are normally like $3.99. So they was on sale for $2.99. Okay. Now this is what Porter's trying to get into right now. This lemon cake. Yes. Look, she done already messed it up. That's why I said, let me just go ahead and show you guys this now. But it's a lemon cream cake. Oh my God. For all the lemon lovers out there, if your store sells this, you got to get it a try. And then we got some grapes. You know it's the holiday weekend when everything go on sale. And sure enough, these grapes was 97 cents per pound. Can you believe that? I couldn't either, so I had to grab a bag because normally I don't food them grapes in the store. Nope, they be too expensive. And I know you're probably wondering, eggplant? Oh yes, some eggplant is so bomb. I don't know if you have this type of restaurant by your house called Mezza. So think of it like a Chipotle, but it's Mediterranean food. And they got these roasted eggplants. And when I tell y'all, they just do something to you. If you don't like eggplant, I bet you if you roast it in the oven with some olive oil, salt, and pepper, I don't know, maybe I'll just do a video just to show you. I can show you better than I can tell you, but these are delicious, y'all. They are delicious. Cheeto Popcorn. That's right, y'all. Flaming hot Cheeto Popcorn. They are coming out with anything and everything now. Yes, some Cheeto Popcorn. Now, I haven't bought these. Normally, I don't buy the Cheetos because they not on sale. And I'm always trying to get a good deal. But these 2 bags was on sale today for 2 for $6. So, why not? Just went on ahead and picked one up. Bananas. Gotta have the bananas in the house. Cauliflower. Gotta have that in the house. Especially if you're on a keto, low-carb diet. This cauliflower is your best friend. And I'm trying to tell you. Especially with some seafood sauce. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. Hawaiian rolls. Gotta make your sandwiches. Lunchtime. Why not? It just makes it taste so much better. Minced garlic. Sometimes I buy the fresh garlic. Sometimes we buy the minced garlic. This makes your life a little bit more easier. Just depends on what type of mood you in. And then here go one of the cans of the Prego cheese. And here go the second box of the fish sticks. I told you guys these was 2 for $12. They was on sale too. So here is a big bag of cereal. Didn't get the boxes today because it was a better deal on the bag cereal. These are some Fruity Pebbles. Leave it up to the kids. These ain't no real Fruity Pebbles. They the generic brand. They always got something to say. My goodness gracious. I can't wait till you go to the grocery store. Be shading me. Here goes some hot dogs. We only eat the beef hot dogs. These is almost $5 a pack in the store. Today they was $2.99. You know the beef hot dogs is always more expensive. Some Kool-Aid. We normally get the packs of Kool-Aid, but we recently just had one of these and they went through it already. So just picked up another one. We needed some oil, some vegetable oil. Normally we use peanut oil, but sometimes we just get the regular vegetables. You know, if you baking or whatnot, you already have it. Here's one of my snacks, some sugar-free pudding, some chocolate pudding. Now, let me tell you about this sugar-free pudding. Don't sleep on that sugar-free because it actually tastes a little bit sweeter than the regular one. You know what I'm saying? Now, here go one of my favorite staples to have in the house, whether you cook with it, put it in your hair, put it on your skin, some coconut oil. Y'all, that ain't nothing to play with. This coconut oil, and make sure it's the unrefined coconut oil because that's the raw good stuff. But it just smells so good. I cannot wait to open it and just smell it. Picked up my pack of bread. Gotta have bread in the house, especially with kids, like I say, to make sandwiches or whatever else we need it for. Eggs, gotta have those on deck for breakfast. And I got my oyster sauce back. Oh, if you love Chinese food, beef and broccoli, those type of dishes with that dark sauce from your curry out, that's what you're tasting, is that oyster sauce. And I picked up some more coffee creamer. Yeah, you gotta have your coffee creamer any time of the day. I drink coffee any time of the day. What about y'all? I don't just have to have... Okay, just leave it right there. Now with me, I can drink coffee all day long, whether I'm at work, home, here, morning, afternoon, you know, nighttime. It doesn't really bother me. What about you guys? Do y'all just only drink coffee in the morning or the afternoon? How y'all do that?
In the morning.
In the morning. Some plantains.
Candy.
We love some plantains.
Candy.
I got 4 of those. They're 2 for $1 at our store. Make sure you guys watch our plantains video. We show you how to make them if you don't know how to, but they're really easy. And then this is going to go in my smoothies. Some Kale Greens. Yeah. This is the second can of that Prego sauce. Now, the lady just put this in my bag because I didn't ask for this, but it's okay because I'll still use it. I use regular salt. I know whoever that was behind me is going to be mad when they get home. And then I stocked up on some more seasonings, garlic. I used to buy this and they had it back in the store today. Some complete seasoning. This is a little blend of everything, your everyday seasonings, all in one bottle. Had to restock up on the mayo because you can't have burgers and sandwiches without mayo. Well, some people can, but we can't in this house. Milk, whole milk. Gotta have some milk in the house for the cereal. This was actually leaking in my bag, so I had to rinse that off. Yes, you gotta check your tops while you at the store and make sure they screwed on tight. And some syrup, some butter flavored syrup. We didn't get no Aunt Jemima today. Nope. This was $1.99. But if Daddy goes to the store, oh, he gonna pick up that Aunt Jemima. And then here goes some Sweet Baby Ray's. Y'all know I love my Sweet Baby Ray's. Honey mustard. And that's it. And we're gonna eat good. We're gonna sleep good, of course, for this holiday weekend. Because we're gonna have the itis with a lot of these dishes. You already know. Until next time, you guys, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe. And we'll see you guys back for the next video.